Okay, Cam, here's the air line, here's the switch. Just connect the air line like that, push the button. I don't know if you heard the air's coming out every time I push the button. That means the air's working. Put that back on. It means you got air to this, so it's not an air problem. Then if you take the two red wires here and you jump across the two red wires, I got the spark up here on the scaler. And my scaler's working because I don't know if you can hear it. Okay, so those are the two wires you want to jump. Take the paper clip, and what you're doing is you're completing the circuit. Instead of circuit being completed down in here with the air pressure, you've just bypassed the switch and jumped it this red to that red with the paper clip, and it created the scaler to work. Good luck.